So where can you find deleted text messages on the iPhone? So you open up the Messages app and you can either delete the whole thread, like the whole conversation, and click on a delete like this, or you can get inside the specific chat conversation and hold down on some specific text bubble, which you can click on more and tap the trash, which will delete just that message. But where exactly are the messages now? So you can come back to the main screen or the main conversation list within the messages, and in at the top right we have the filtering icon. So you need to tap on this and essentially you should be able to find the recently deleted folder. So this is what it looks like. It has the trash icon, so you can click there, and here is the list and the place where every deleted message is, right? It is going to stay here for 40 days, right? As you can see, 40 days is the period after which the messages will be permanently deleted without the option to recover them. But within this period, you can still go in here and, for example, open up the, one message which I deleted from this thread and recover it, or I can recover the whole thread, the whole conversation, which I deleted, as you can see before. So as you can see, I can recover whatever I want, really, and that's how you can make that happen. You can return back to the messages, and that's essentially it. So this is where the deleted messages happen to be. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it as well. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.